Today, I'm going to tell you how to prevent insects or black bugs in the rice bag. I'm going to tell you 4 important tips to keep the bugs away in the rice bag. Tip number 1, collect some bay leaves and mix it along with the rice in the rice bag and keep the mouth of the rice bag closed and tied without allowing air to enter inside. Tip number 2, dry some neem leaves thoroughly without any moisture and then add these dried neem leaves inside the rice bag. Mix it along with the rice and then keep it tight. Keep the bag tied, air tight. Tip number 3, you can punch some cloves and then mix this in the rice and keep it inside the rice bag in the same way with the mouth of the rice bag tightly tied, airtight. Tip number 4, you can tie the rice bag airtight and then you can place this tied bag inside the refrigerator.